I'm Ryan Parker with Parker Home Renovations in New Braunfels, Texas. And today I'm going to teach you how to fix a loose door hinge. Now, the first thing you're going to need when trying to fix a loose door hinge is you're going to need a 3-inch screw, and you're going to need a screw gun. Usually what happens whenever a door hinge comes loose from the door jamb is the short screws that come with the hinge strip out the wood or pull loose from the wood. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to take your 3-inch screw or 3-inch screws, depending on how many pulled loose, and you're going to need to take out the small screw in the hinge and drive the 3-inch screw through the door jamb, through the hinge. And what that's going to do is it's going to suck the hinge back up to the door jamb, and it'll actually grab the door jamb better than the smaller screw. Now, if that doesn't work, what you may have to do is you may have to actually plug the holes where the old screws were by sticking match ends or small pieces of wood in that hole, put glue around them, stick them in there, and then re-drive the screws through the hinge into those holes after they dry. If you have any other questions, you can contact me at parkerhomerenovations.com.